Law of Attraction. I am affirmations. I am joyous. I am focused on good feeling thoughts. I am joyously aligned to Source. I am aligned to Source and I am limitless. I am aligned to Source in my feelings of love, kindness, joy, and compassion. I am aligned to Source and I trust my instincts and my inner voice. I am loved by the omnipresence of the divine. I feel the limitlessness of this divine love. I am prosperous and abundant in all areas of my life. I am loved beyond measure. I am focused and aligned with my inner knowing and my connection to Source. I am joyously aligned to the feelings of love, happiness, joy, and compassion.